This is Max. Max watched Lisa lose 8 kilos in the past 6 months. And this without having to give up anything in everyday life. Lisa didn't just get slimmer, she also became more energetic and adventurous. Lisa's secret recipe is the Rohner Concept. Max is determined. He wants to lose weight too. Max is convinced by the fact that the Rohner Concept is not a diet, but a holistic nutritional concept customized for his metabolic type. Max registers on the Rohner Konzept website and makes an appointment with one of the many partnering Rohner doctors. Max schedules his first doctor's appointment in the morning. He starts with an empty stomach early in the morning. The doctor discusses Max's eating habits with him, determines his body mass and weight, and shows Max the ideal mass he can personally achieve. Then the first of the 3 blood samples is taken. Based on the lab data, the doctor determines Max's metabolic type and explains the nutrition plan that is individually customized for him. At home, Max logs into the member area of the Rohner Konzept website to download his personal recipes. In the following weeks, Max is amazed. It's easy for him to stick to his nutrition plan because he can eat enough, isn't hungry, and feels good. 6 weeks later, Max has reason to cheer. During the first follow-up check, the doctor notes a reduction in weight and girth. After 6 months, during the second checkup, Max has reached his ideal weight. The Rohner Concept was created over 20 years ago by the Swiss physician Dr. Wolfgang Rohner and has been optimized continuously. With this medically based approach, the client is assigned to one of 11 metabolic types. This is what the individual nutrition plans are based on. Interested? Then be like Max and over 40,000 other satisfied clients. Get your ticket for your kickoff appointment with a partnering doctor in your region now.